Hello everyone, welcome to an update on the YouTube channel. So as you can see on the chart, this is gold. This is what we're currently looking at. We're getting that downwards move at the moment. Currently just looking at this manipulation area here. Nice support and resistance. Just waiting to see how it reacts to that area. If we get some sell pressure, then we'll be looking for a continuation sell. Some are already in a sell from up here and this sort of level. We was expecting that continuation down, and through the Asian session we got the start of that reversal. That's what we're currently looking at. We got that move already, so we can get rid of that. So this is what we're currently looking at on the higher time frame and where we are targeting. So now that is gold done, nice and easy. So if you've been following me for a while, you know I only put up weekly forecasts on gold once a week, and that's just going over predicting what I'm expecting. And then you have the VIP service if you want everyday in-depth analysis and trades on how we are doing through the week on trading gold. So I've been doing that for a few years now. I've been putting up a lot of learning materials, teaching everyone how to look at gold and how to trade it. And now I want to change things up a bit because I've done the most I can in that area. There's only so much you can try and teach someone, and it's their choice at the end of the day on what they listen to and how they approach the market. Now, the things I want to be switching to on this channel is more about structuring your life, because everyone has a different lifestyle. So I want to be covering different lifestyles and how to structure yourself and invest in yourself to bring the best out in your life, to give yourself that best chance at succeeding in trading. And that's what I want to cover on the channel. Just videos going over about how best to bring yourself out to the maximum. Even if you want to focus only on trading, you still need to structure your lifestyle so you can solely focus on trading without burning yourself out and burning out your accounts. Because this is a journey you have to go through, and most of the time people fail along the way and then they give up. So what I want to do on the channel is just explain certain things to make you structure your lifestyle and make you realize things a lot easier, instead of just giving you technicals all the time. So we'll be going over things like how to invest properly and where best to place your money for the long term, so you're not stressing yourself out every day looking at the gold chart. And how you can make money. How else can I make money apart from trading? Because I don't have the experience yet in trading, but I still want to make money from trading. And we're going to do things like that. A bit like this YouTube channel. One of the first videos I'm going to do is just go over how you can make money from YouTube, and just making a YouTube channel, and I'll show you how much I make from this channel just by doing one video a week. It's not very much, but we're gonna do an experiment to change that. So I'll be doing more content on this channel to give you that knowledge and just show you how you make money on YouTube, things like that. It's mainly just about showing you how to make money in different areas of your life, so you can make profit all over, not just in trading, and how to then place your money and your earnings into some sort of trading model that's going to give you a nice return every month. Things like that. So that's what I want to turn this channel into, really. More content that is really going to help you and isn't technical focused. I'm still going to have the VIP service. I'm still going to have the free Telegram channel where I'll update you on my thoughts on gold, because I'll still be trading every day on gold like I always have done, and US 30. I will be updating my US 30 channel more too. And that is what I'm really going to do to this channel. You'll still get the weekly forecast on gold every Sunday. I'll still be doing the weekly forecast. It's mainly just in the week we'll be covering different areas to make you have a better life, really. So feel free to message me. All my links are always in the video description, as you know. Take care. Good luck on gold. Getting that retracement now. And goodbye. Take care.